In today's world, financial freedom is a dream for many. It's not just about having money but about having the freedom to live life on your own terms, without the constant stress of financial worries. It's about having the time and resources to live life on your own terms. Imagine being able to spend more time with your family, travel to exotic locations, or simply enjoy your hobbies without the constraints of a 9-to-5 job. OnPassive is a company that can help you achieve this dream. They offer a unique platform that combines cutting-edge technology with a user-friendly interface, making it accessible for everyone. It's an online business platform that is designed to be simple and automated. This means you don't have to be a tech genius or a marketing expert to succeed. OnPassive provides you with the tools and resources you need to succeed. From digital marketing tools to financial planning software, everything is designed to help you grow your business effortlessly. You don't need to be an expert in marketing or technology. OnPassive offers comprehensive training and support to ensure you have everything you need to succeed. The system does the heavy lifting for you. With automated processes and advanced technology, you can focus on what truly matters to you. With OnPassive, you can create a sustainable income stream. This means you can build a business that generates income consistently, providing you with financial stability and peace of mind. This means you can earn money even while you sleep. Imagine waking up to see your earnings grow overnight, giving you the freedom to live life on your own terms. Imagine a life where you are in control of your time and finances. You can work from anywhere, whether it's a beach, a mountain cabin, or your own home. You can travel the world, spend time with loved ones, and pursue your passions. The possibilities are endless when you have financial freedom. That's the power of OnPassive. It's not just about making money, it's about creating a life of abundance and fulfillment. It's about taking control of your future and creating a life of abundance. With OnPassive, your dreams of financial freedom can become a reality. But before we continue, please take a moment to subscribe, like, and comment below. It all helps me out, thanks. OnPassive offers a range of features and benefits that make it unique. It's designed to simplify your business operations and maximize your potential. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, OnPassive has something for everyone. One of the key features is its automated marketing system. This system is built to handle all your marketing needs seamlessly. This system does the marketing for you so you don't have to. Imagine having more time to focus on other important aspects of your business while the marketing runs on autopilot. It's like having a team of marketing experts working for you 24/7. They ensure your business is always visible and engaging to your target audience. Another benefit is the residual income potential. This is a game changer for many entrepreneurs. This means you can earn money over and over again from the same effort. Your initial work continues to pay off long after it's done. Imagine getting paid even after you stop working. This financial freedom allows you to enjoy life more fully. That's the beauty of residual income. It provides you with the flexibility to work from anywhere and live life on your own terms. OnPassive also provides a supportive community of like-minded individuals. This community is invaluable for networking and sharing ideas. You'll have access to training, resources, and support from experienced mentors. These mentors are dedicated to helping you succeed. This community is there to help you every step of the way. They provide guidance, encouragement, and practical advice. With OnPassive, you're not alone in your journey to financial freedom. Together, we can achieve great things and reach new heights. Don't just take my word for it. There will be countless success stories from people just like you who are looking to achieve financial freedom with OnPassive as well. People who are struggling to make ends meet now have the opportunity for living their dream lives. They will be traveling the world, spending time with loved ones, and giving back to their communities. These success stories will be a testament to the power of OnPassive. It's a reminder that anything is possible if you have the right tools and support. And Section 4. Getting started with OnPassive. Your journey to abundance. This section will guide you through the initial steps to embark on a path filled with opportunities and growth. Getting started with OnPassive is simple. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring that even those with minimal technical skills can navigate it with ease. You can sign up for a free account and explore the platform. This allows you to get a feel for the tools and resources available before making any commitments. Once you're ready, you can choose from different membership options to suit your budget and goals. Each plan is tailored to provide maximum value and support for your business needs. OnPassive provides comprehensive training and support to help you succeed. From live coaching sessions to detailed tutorials, every resource is designed to enhance your skills and knowledge. You'll have access to webinars, training videos, and a dedicated support team. This ensures that you are never alone on your journey and can always find the help you need. The key is to take action and stay consistent. Success doesn't come overnight, but with persistent effort, you can achieve your goals. The more effort you put in, the greater your rewards will be. Celebrate your milestones and keep pushing forward to reach new heights. Section 5. Take action today. Your financial freedom awaits. Don't wait another day to take control of your financial future. OnPassive offers a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to achieve financial freedom. It's a chance to break free from the rat race and live life on your own terms. Remember, the only limits are the ones you set for yourself. Take the first step towards your financial freedom and join OnPassive today. For more information about OnPassive and how you too can find financial freedom, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.